Hi there, welcome back. Today we'll talk about freezing and splitting panes. A data table with many rows and columns is, I think, very frequent. And most of the time, the first row or first column contains the headers. So, we want the first row to be still and keep it visible while we scroll through the rest of the sheet. There is a feature in Excel called Freeze Pane to keep an area of the worksheet visible while you scroll to another area of the worksheet. So, go to the View tab where you can see Freeze Pane to lock specific rows and columns in place. Or you can split panes to create separate windows of the same worksheet. Let's suppose you want to freeze the first row. Simply click on the button and select Freeze Top Row. Scroll up and down. Now take a look. You can always see row 1 at the top. What will happen if you wanted to freeze the first column instead of the first row? Again, from the Freeze pane, click Freeze First Column. If I move the horizontal scroll bar to the right, column A will remain visible. Notice that remove the freeze from row 1. An alternative is to freeze all columns and rows above a specific cell. For example, we want to freeze row 1 and 2 and columns A and B. Go to the cell C3 and click Freeze Pane. The rest of the worksheet scrolls except the specific rows and columns. Another feature of Excel is to be able to split our screen. Let's see an example. To understand it, go to the middle of the screen and click somewhere there. Now, from the View tab, click the Split button. What does it do for you? It allows you to divide the window with a horizontal line into two different panes, and each one scrolls independently. Look at the result. This is useful when we want to compare data between them. For example, values, dates. Of course, you can split the screen vertically like this. A quick way to remove the split line is by double-clicking on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.